Right, final thing of the dual battery setup. I saw it before it was painted. Now we've got our wiring in. Dual battery's not in there at this minute, but it's in there nice and neat, so I can get two big batteries. The cruise control solenoid, which was over here, is now over here, and as you can see, runs beautifully up along over to there. All my extra fuses and wires and everything are all tucked up under there, and relays out of the way, so it looks nice and neat. I've still got my 1240 Red Arc BC-DC to install, which is actually going right there, and that's where those wires are there for. Actually colour matched when I put them in to a plug, and solder them up and put it directly in there. We've measured the heaps of room. I've also added in this additional fuse box. All my auxiliary stuff that I have, I've run these extra fuses to run. That switch there is, I have under bonnet lighting. Some of it you can see up there, and then some further down underneath, which all switch off when I turn the ignition off. So it's all keyed to that. Don't think there's anything else. It works very well, fully reinforced. You saw how I set up underneath. Battery tucks in there nicely. I can still get it. My ECU isolator and fuel pump wire, I can still get at those. Now, when I said before too about the charcoal canister, it's over there, centre of screen. I'll show you. There it is there. And I've just picked up one extra wire hose to it, which works very well. Now it sits in there nicely. I have a bank of relays here which I'm not entirely happy with yet, because I mean, they all work and everything's nice and neat, but I want to actually put them on a stainless steel plate which is insulated with some rubbers to absorb vibration, and then put a cap over the top just to keep the most of the dust and stuff from settling on them. But that's another story. Charcoal canister works very well. I can still pull it out if I need to from where it was. With this battery tray and charcoal canister and everything in there, this vehicle passed inspection, no worries at all. I was happy with it, and I was quite impressed actually with the work involved. Let's see, down there, battery tray set up, where I said in there where I was going to just tie it in with it, made that little bracket up there. It is rock solid, it's not moving anywhere. I'm quite pleased with it all, and I can still get at everything. Moving this forward a little bit, made a new bracket up, moved the battery tray forward, moved the bottle forward, but again I can still pull that out. Everything's just in a nice position. It's not causing me any grief whatsoever. Yeah, that's the battery tray. Finished. All the wires work well, everything double insulated, wrapped, put up out of the way, so any wear and tear can be got out easy enough. Cool. See it from this side. Battery tray and everything